Hey everyone, this is Lady T with Design to a T. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Father's Day Tablescape collaborative, and I am doing it with our host Alberta from Mysterious Alberta's channel, and the co-host Lynn's Lifestyle Living channel, Diva Decorating channel, me, myself, and DIYing It channel, and Cynthia's She's So Blessed channel. And they are part of the DIVA'S Dynasty group. They are awesome. And if you get a chance, go check them out on their channels. I will have them linked below in the description box. So after you're watching this, make sure to drop down to the description box and check out the links for those channels that I just mentioned. And this tablescape is dedicated to my father-in-law, who passed away just a couple of months ago. So I dedicate this tablescape to him. Hey everyone, these are the items that I will be using in my tablescape. Not a whole lot, very simple. And I'm just going to go over a few items to let you know where I purchased them. And here we have the planter. And I purchased that from TJ Maxx. This happens to be a runner. I also have the tablecloth. Not sure which one I'm going to be using yet. But I purchased both of them from TJ Maxx. And the silverware is, of course, what I have been using in several of my tablescapes. I purchased those from Lennox. The frames I'm going to be using as a plaque. I think I'm going to make my own plaques, and I got those from the dollar store, along with the twine. Purchased that also from the dollar store. And the lettering for labels, the stickers. And if you're not aware that the dollar store has a craft station, you need to get there. They have some really nice things to create your own projects. And the station is called Crafters Square. And I'm going to be using those to make the plaques. And napkins I purchased from Home Goods. Not sure if I'm going to be using the napkin holders. I purchased those from the gallery. And for the chargers I got from the dollar store. The plates I purchased from Home Goods. And the saucers I purchased from the dollar store, along with the bowls. And the glasses, dollar store, y'all. Really nice looking, very good quality. You'd be surprised what you find in the dollar store. Along with the ice buckets, also dollar store. And the spheres are from the gallery. The gallery. Okay. And I believe those are all of the items that I will be using on today. just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that have been with me for a while, thanks so much for supporting this channel. And for those of you that may be new, I welcome you to subscribe to this channel so that you would be able to see many of the videos that are upcoming. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk with you guys soon. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers that are out there. I pray that everyone is well and safe and healthy. God bless.